And in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn headset volume up on Xbox Series X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If your headset volume is too low and you would like to turn it up, you can do so easily on an Xbox Series X. You don't have to download anything, you don't have to reconnect the headset, and all of this can be done through these settings. Before you start, I just want to make it very clear. If your specific headset model has one of these physical sliders, either on the headset itself or on a specific spot on the cable, I would highly recommend trying to use this first. Maybe you accidentally dragged it all the way to the lowest setting possible, and this is why your volume is low. So if needed, make sure that you use this physical slider available on the headset. If yours does not have this slider, then don't worry, I'm still going to teach you how to increase the volume, but it is something to note. So after you are done checking to see if the slider was indeed muting the volume, what you can do if it still is not solved, or if you didn't have one, is to press the Xbox button to open the guide and then go to the audio and music options. So this icon right here at the bottom right corner. So go all the way down and then select it from the list. When you choose this icon, you will see the audio and music settings. You can control your microphone, but most importantly, the headset volume. So as you can see, with this slider, the more to the right, the louder the volume is going to be. And the more to the left, you will be able to mute it. So all that you have to do if you wish to increase the volume is to drag it towards the right side of the slider to increase the volume. So find a comfortable position, and once it is set, it will remain saved, and you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output on your Xbox inside of games, inside of voice chat, and so on at the desired volume. You should also be able to control the voice chat volume individually if you ever join a party, but to keep it simple, to turn up the volume, use the headset volume settings in audio and music. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn headset volume up on Xbox Series X. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.